Hi, I'm Chef Bob Hunks, and I'm coming to you from our kitchens here in Maitland, Florida. We are super excited to bring to you virtual culinary experiences about some of my favorite things. Anyone who knows me knows I'm passionate about coffee. We are going to share with you everything from bean to cup. We're going to talk about where coffee is sourced from around the world. We're going to talk about how it gets here to our cup. We're going to talk about how it's roasted, how it's brewed, and the proper way to taste coffee. Yes, there's actually a proper way. So grab a cup, sit back, and enjoy the show. Cheers.